Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to SONY Xperia 1.3. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, you can select Send on an Android and Receive on SONY. Then tap on all of those kind of dots and just send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo. Just send and click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on SONY, choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we wait a bit, and as you can see my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, clicking Browse in the middle, selecting in my case Images and going into Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!